What's going on, guys? It is the OG Trading God. This is going to be my first video. This was my first day trading. This is the SPY chart for the day. So I started off the day not really knowing how I was going to do this because I can't even get level 2 yet on my WeBull. Still working on getting my WeBull set up properly because when I first set it up, I didn't put the right credentials into my application. So if you are going to sign up for WeBull for the first time, make extra sure that you look into what you're supposed to put for your application. I learned that you need to really spruce it up if you want to get approved for level 2, because I put a pretty modest application. I put my net worth at not too high, just like I was completely honest. But what you got to do if you're going to apply for your WeBull and get level 2 is just completely go off the rails. Put $5 million net worth, put your salary is $1 million per year, say that you're a complete expert. You also want to say that your risk tolerance is extremely high, and I guarantee you'll get approved for a level 2 options trading on WeBull, no problem, immediately within 5 minutes of applying. Only problem I'm having is that I have to wait 30 days before I can reapply. I now know that because I helped my friend sign up, and he had no issues getting it. So I'm going to be trading on his account starting tomorrow, so that way I can start making some money. It's my business partner, so whatever money I make on his account will be for our business anyway. But that's what's going on. So I had to trade today on Robinhood, so I'm going to be going over what I did today. But the problem is I wasn't able to get into every position I wanted to get into because the Robinhood platform is a huge pain. You have to go back and forth from TradingView or back and forth from WeBull looking at a normal chart, and it really slows you down if you want to do scalping, which is what I so far have enjoyed doing the most, or what I understand the most. I don't really understand the long-term plays as much. Scalping is more of like a degenerate way of investing for a beginner, which I'm totally okay with because in my first week of paper trading, I did pretty well scalping. I did just fine. So that's why I felt comfortable getting into some trading with some real money this week, just scalping. So I guess I'll go through what I was trying to do, but wasn't able to go ahead and do because, I started the day off trying to invest with WeBull on SPY, but I immediately realized that you can't do same-day contracts with level 1 on WeBull. So I was not able to invest in WeBull, and then I wasted half the day trying to figure out what I could do and settled on Robinhood. So by that point, we're already here at where was it? Yeah, right around here. I tried to do calls. Tried to buy a call. Where was it? I think it was right here. Yeah, it was going down. I wanted to buy a call, and it would not work. It did end up going up, so I would have made a profit right here. I was going to start here, and I would have ended up having to go through this entire... I wasn't here. I saw consolidating around here and realized it was going to start going up. I was speaking to my friend Wall Street CFO on Twitter, and he was saying that if you look at the resistance levels right here, if you scroll back on the chart, you have to look at where the bottom of the stock is and where the top of the chart, where the bottom of the chart is and where the top of the chart is. And looking at where that was at that point in time, the risk to reward was 0. It was bad. So going into that position with a call at that point would have, because there was a very high probability it could have gone exactly in the opposite direction. So it would have been a pretty lucky trade if I had done that today. But nevertheless, I would have secured a pretty good play right there. Anyway, the one position I did get in today on Robinhood that I actually secured was, I know after that, I mean, there wasn't really much left for the day. It was kind of just all over the place, so I kind of abandoned it. If I would have stayed watching it, definitely, he was right. He was so right about the resistance level, because once it did hit the resistance level, it kept going up and up and up today. So if you are patient and you look at your support levels and your resistance levels, it's a proven strategy and it definitely works. So not a super long video today, because I honestly didn't trade much today, but I did want to document my first day trading. So I'm going to upload this up as the first video on the channel. I'm going to be doing this every night when when there's nothing to do after the market closes. I think that would be a good time to make YouTube videos. So please subscribe. Make sure you follow my Twitter as well, where I do live updates during the day. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.